Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and this is my 2-year-old Anne, and today we're sharing her simple wash day routine. Anne's hair has grown quite a bit since the last routine video I posted last year, so now we're more at a length where I can't really get away with just putting water and product in her hair. She goes to school 5 days a week, so I try to do at least something to her hair every day so that it's nice and presentable. Anne's hair is turning out to be just like mommy, so I already know what to expect from her hair texture. So like mine, it works a lot better with water and looks its best right after a fresh shampoo. We are going to be reviving Anne's dry hair today using some of our favorite products. I'm using Aunt Jackie's Girls Soft and Sassy Conditioner and this LottaBody Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo. And just a quick FYI, this video is not sponsored. Anne has her own bathroom, but I really prefer washing her hair in our shower because we have this really convenient handheld sort of wand hose, which really comes in handy with washing a toddler's hair, especially when they don't fully understand how to properly put their head under a running faucet. I also like being able to have her stand up and I can stand right next to her to help direct her, and she just thinks she's at the water park. It's pretty awesome. And we do spend a significant amount of time under the hose because when the hair is nice and saturated with water, it behaves better with the shampoo. So it'll suds up better. I feel like we're getting a better clean. And it's really important for me to get a really good clean that first shampoo because I only shampoo once. I don't do like shampoo and then shampoo again. I just do it the once. And I also only shampoo her hair once a week. So it's really important for her to get clean at one time. I take advantage of every opportunity to detangle Anne's hair. So even through the shampooing process, as I'm working the product through her scalp, trying to remove all of the buildup and debris and dirt, I'm also finger detangling. The way I see it is to keep this process quick and frequent. So I don't ever want to go 2 weeks or a month without washing her hair and then having to take an hour when I do wash it. I like to do it often and quickly. It's just important that she enjoy this process as much as possible so that she'll cooperate. And I always keep a hand towel handy for water in the eyes or ears. After all the shampoo is completely rinsed out, it's time to condition. I'm going to be using this super duper softening conditioner, and I know that's quite the claim for a conditioner, but it really works as well as it claims. This has been the best conditioner for us. I've used it for quite a while now, ever since Anne's hair has grown a bit. This conditioner really does detangle and softens the hair on contact, and it works really well. I'm able to comb through Anne's curls without hurting her or making her uncomfortable, and it's a quick process. This stuff moisturizes and revives her curls right away. And this is me trying to distract Anne from the fact that we've been in here for 10 minutes already. As I'm trying to hurry and rinse out this last bit of conditioner from Anne's hair, you'll notice how I am holding her chin. You guys, I'm doing that for a reason. This is actually to keep her head tilted back. That way the water is running backwards instead of onto her face. You guys, this works like a charm, and I discovered this by accident. It was like the most simplest solution and it worked. Anne seems to really enjoy this process because she loves water. Now we're all done, and Anne's curls are shiny, soft, bouncy, and moisturized. Now with Anne's new length, normally what I would do is prepare her hair for a twist out or braid out, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you guys a hairstyle that you can do with her damp hair. So think of this as a wash day where you have to leave right out the door. I'm starting off with the Aunt Jackie's Girls Not Having It. This is a detangling leave-in conditioner. This is a product that I've used for 2 reasons. The first one is to replenish Anne's hair in between washes. This is going to help moisturize and revitalize her dry curls, but also I use it right after we shampoo to restore some moisture and get some nutrients back into her hair. Out of all the products from today's video, that is the one I would recommend that you go get right now. As soon as you're done watching this video, go to your local beauty supply and get it. Any hair type, you are not going to regret it. So all I'm doing here, you guys, is sectioning off the front of Anne's hair in 3 sections. My parts are not that straight, but you know, I'm doing the best I can with this little squirming, laughing baby. Her dad was behind the camera cracking jokes and singing, so that's what all this cuteness is about. But anyway, I am taking that big chunk of hair in the back and brushing it into a ponytail. You guys, I am using this ORS Olive Oil Girls edge product. So yes, there is an edge control product that is specifically formulated for little girls, and this stuff works so good, you guys. Edge products are inherently waxy and thick. That's how they're able to work so effectively. But what I found is once you lay that product down, you really can't move it after that. This product doesn't do that, which for me makes it a better choice for children. So this styling gel is definitely one of my favorites, and it can also be used on the surface of the hair or to create definitions with the curls. It is not just for the edges. So I am just creating little ponytails all around using little plastic bands, not the rubber ones. The plastic ones are really easy to remove, so those are the ones we use. And with the remaining hair that's hanging, I am just twisting it. And what I want you guys to notice is that the styling gel is so nice that it is actually giving the impression that her hair is tightly pulled up when it's actually not. There is a lot of room between that band and the root of her hair. And I try to limit my use of bristle brushes on her edges, so I'm just using a fine-tooth comb to really smooth them down. And the final ponytail at the top, which is the finisher of this style, I'm going to apply some of that styling gel to her edges and use that fine-tooth comb to really smooth it down. And right before I apply the hair tie, I'm going to pull up those side pigtails and include them in the one ponytail so that the style looks a little more intricate and detailed. And this next part, you guys, is pure fun. I am going to be applying some of that styling gel I was using a little bit ago to create some defined curls. And the way I'm going to do this is all by hand. So I'm going to be making these little ringlet curls, these little Shirley Temple curls, using my fingers. And if your daughter's hair is much longer or maybe not as curly, you can always do twists instead and get a similar look. Once I'm done doing the big curly chunks, I'm going to go ahead and separate them. This is going to make the hair appear to be more voluminous, and I just love the look. It's so pretty. This next step is probably the most fun for most people doing a toddler's hair, and that's the baby hair part. You got to get the brush or fine-tooth comb and brush out those baby hairs. Now see, this is what I like about that styling gel. The edges are still soft enough to be able to manipulate in this way. I'm going to accessorize Anne's hair with one of her old headbands. I'm simply going to cut the elastic in half and attach this bad baby to her ponytail. I just couldn't resist. This matched so well with her outfit, and since we don't really do headbands anymore, I was like, forget it. See, it's just the perfect fit, and there's no waste because I'm going to use that extra elastic piece that I cut off to accessorize that back ponytail. So all we're going to do is just tie that around the base of the ponytail, and then we're going to tuck the ponytail under to finish the look. And that, ladies and gentlemen, will be the final step of this wash day hairstyle. I really love the way this came out. It's such a cute look for a little girl. I do wish the parts were straighter. I think if I used a rat tail comb, I could have accomplished that. But I think the more we experiment with safe, comfy styles, I will perfect the technique. I am so glad you guys joined us today and allowed me to share some of my ideas around easy wash day routines for little toddlers. I know for sure Anne had a blast filming this video, and so did I. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!